I'm an intern studying in Pims, doing my Mbbs. This neurolinguistic program started first with about reticular activating system and talking about how we command our brain and how our mind has the power to how we can trick our mind and make things happen by like the drawing finger technique. So many techniques were taught, which was quite new. We haven't, like as doctors, we know only logical thoughts and we don't really believe in these alternate ways. And this program kind of brought to notice about a lot of things doctors per se don't know. This is a like of alternate type of healing, and ma'am brought it out very well. And even people who don't know about it or don't believe this have felt some changes. And I personally liked those emotional freedom techniques, like people with fear or anxiety or headache or minor issues like that. If they try those kind of, they will feel better. And yeah, this was a really great program.
Okay, thank you.
And Diva, intern in Pims. I newly learned that our brain doesn't take up the negative words. So whatever we think or whatever we do, if we do a thing in a positive way, it will work out.
Oh, amazing.
I'm Sharon. I'm an intern in Pims. It was a different program which I've never seen before. I learned that how to build rapport with people to make eye contact. Sharon, I'm an intern in Pims. It was a different program, and I learned how to work hard, to work smart, and to execute the plan properly.
Yeah, do it.
And how to communicate with people to build a rapport.
Wonderful.
Hello, I'm Divya, Intern. So today's program was kind of a different thing. It included all aspects of life, like physical, mental, and different exercises or games or what activities were given. And I personally liked the rope thing, and a different kind of concept was introduced through that, and also all the students were made to participate in every activity, like especially the dancing. That was all very good, and yeah.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Manaswini. I'm working as an intern in Pims. So the techniques that we learned today, especially for me myself, dancing was really so much fun. And I think I always used to believe in hard work. I thought always hard work, wins in the end. But today I learned hard work, smart work, and team effort brings out success. So thanks.
Wonderful.
I am Simran. I'm an intern in Pims. Basically, I learned that we must not only think logically but also smartly and think emotionally as well. The whole day was quite energizing, and it was a completely different experience from whatever programs I've attended in Pims. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Pratyusha, and I'm doing my internship in Pims. Throughout the day, there were many games conducted. When we play the games, we actually got involved only in the game. We didn't think much about what we are doing. But then later, when we were asked to think about what we learned from it, we got so many points. And then, but I don't think every one of us is implementing it during our daily day-to-day activities. So I think it will be better if we each one of us think about it every time we do something.
Okay, what is your key learning from today?
Control our emotions in much better way, and about health, do workouts or drink water and eat healthy.
Wonderful. Give her a big round of applause. More than control, I would say the right word would be to get aware. You need to get aware when you're angry, what you're doing. When you're sad, what you're doing. You need to get aware.
I'm Sanjana, doing my internship in Pims. So this was a very different session compared to everything they have attended. So we got to learn many things that we should be fit in every aspect, physically, emotionally, and everything comes into the healthy lifestyle we undergo. And then
is a decision that we make. It's about ourselves first, and then we can spread it to others. So first we should be happy and content so that we can give it to others and also make their life a better, in a better way. And
Thank you. Give her a big round of applause.
I am Saruja. From this program, I learned that we should leave out the negativity things and then we should be positive so that our mind will be stable and we'll move on in our life.
Wonderful.
Hi, I'm Sharon, intern at Pims. So as a batchmate, I felt like after a very long time we got together in a different way and had some nice time. As a person, I felt there are so many things in life, so many ways in life that we can get rid of our negativity and all our stress. And as a doctor, it is not just about giving medicines and treating, but also even communication and the smallest thing matters. And a lot of life hacks. So, thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful.
I'm Suresh Gobi from Pims. I'm doing internship here. The thing I learned from this program is we can't always stay in our comfort zone. We have to get out of it. And another thing is how to control our emotions and build communication with our patients. The overall thing I loved about this program is we have to self-improve ourselves while we go in our way.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much. Give her a big round of applause.